share with you a topic person to me, the relationship between art and design. I'd like to first demonstrate using two chairs, two simple design words used for sitting. Probably curious why I just put this chair on top of the other. That curiosity is what makes it art. I wanted to share this topic with you because this topic personally as both a design student and an art student. To share with you with my credibility, not only did I research probably 8 websites, but I also looked up a book called Design Equals to Art, and interviewed 8 different Herberger Institute of Design and Art students and 1 architecture professor. And topics to look forward to in my speech are obviously the differences between art and design, why they're commonly taken for as similar, and when is it likely to happen. But first off, I want to share with you a quote called from an architect, Charles Eames. Eventually, everything connects. People, ideas, objects. Secondly, I'd like to share with you the definitions first. For art, I'll use the definition of fine art, the produce for beauty instead of utility, according to American Heritage of American Dictionary. Secondly, for definition of design, I'll use from Merriam-Webster. To create plans and drawings that show how something's made. Just by definition, you could probably tell the differences using these 2 chairs. Beauty being how the creator judged, and design being how it's purposed. There also like these words, key words that can be differentiated. Design gives purpose, but art provides it. As for questions, design only gives 1 answer, but art gives you many questions. And my personal favorite, perspectives. For design, my architecture professor told me that I could use 1 perspective to judge 1 place, like Cinderella entering the magical ballroom. As for art, you can probably have many perspectives just by looking at Celebration, just a few blocks away, created by Jeremy Pert. It kind of looks like a giant star, a giant 8, a giant letter A, and a giant letter E. But you can judge for yourself, and so can I. Well, so in this case, why this confusion? Well, obviously, their creativity put on paper. That's understandable. Secondly, you could argue that they're technically public art. Like how 1 giant art, rather a mural called Mural with Blue Strokes by Roy Lichtenstein, please forgive me for pronunciation if I was wrong, it suddenly fits with this giant wall in this building. But my favorite is how the person sees it, because we usually see something and just appreciate of what's seen instead of how it's actually presented. Like how you probably don't care about how it's presenting and you're just looking at me. Understandable. So in these situations, you can probably want to guess how do we judge in these situations. Well, there can be artistic designs, like a opera house in Sydney. It has this very unique design that you will also assume that it's a giant piece of art. And secondly, art. You can use art in different billboards or to make some sort of nice, interesting marketing employ. I can't show you any because of copyright. But there are also times when art and design can be mixed together perfectly, like all those other examples I just showed you. Well, I can't really, and now you know all you need to know. I can't really expect you to remember everything I just said, But I would like to challenge you, if you could judge for yourself if something is an art design or an artwork or design work. Correct. Just like how, but obviously they can be used together. Just like how Charles Dickens judged it. Eventually everything connects. People, ideas, objects. Thank you.